Hello, I'm Dr. Stephanie Gray from Your Longevity Blueprint and Integrative Health and Hormone Clinic. And today in Iowa, it's getting a little colder outside. Flu season is coming. It's actually starting to get a little freezing. And so that's the time of year that patients are becoming more sick. They're getting colds, sinus infections, and even upper respiratory infections. So today I wanted to share some products with you that can help you protect yourself and really prevent yourself from getting sicker, especially if you're out and about, if you're traveling over the holidays, exposed to viruses, bacteria, things that you don't want to replicate inside you and cause more harm. So first, let's talk about a product that we carry called ViraSupport. So think of this as being your primary product to help you fight off viruses. The minute you're exposed to a virus, if you're on a plane and you know you're sitting by someone who is coughing, or you know your kids brought something home from school, you want to start taking this. So it's loaded with natural antivirals to boost immune health. So vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, also black elderberry, and the herbs Andrographis, Astragalus, and Echinacea. So think of these herbs as really helping increase your white blood cells that can be depleted as you're sick. You need the white blood cells to help fight off infection. And again, this is something that can be taken if you feel like you're getting the flu or another virus, but you want to start taking it right away to stop the replication of that virus. So immediately when you're exposed, you can start taking 1 to 2 capsules every few hours that first day, and then usually the maintenance dose is more like 2 per day ongoing for that week, hoping that you can get rid of what you've been exposed to. Now, this is not something you take forever. This is something you take as needed, again, when you're exposed to the virus, to try to get rid of it so it doesn't replicate and cause more harm. Now, this product is not for those who are pregnant or nursing because it has a higher dose of vitamin A, which can be toxic to the fetus. So please avoid this product, the ViraSupport, if you are pregnant or nursing. Secondly, here I want to talk about Sinus Support. This is a favorite product of ours. So this is more indicated for sinus infections, head colds, and upper respiratory infections. Now, this product was created based on a Mayo Clinic landmark study in 1998 showing essentially most individuals suffering with chronic sinusitis didn't only have bacteria in their sinus cavities, they had yeast or fungus growing. That makes sense, right? Because many of these patients take antibiotics, which wipe out all the good bacteria, and then opportunistic yeast can grow, take over in these deep, dark, warm, moist cavities. So what do we do then? We give natural antifungals in a product called Sinus Support. So this is a product that can be taken to help you get rid of the cold or the sinus infection, whatnot, and really ward off that yeast. So the way that I describe this product to many of my patients is a 4-pronged approach. So it contains 4 prongs. So first, the berberine and thyme, which are the natural antifungals, again, to hit that fungus, that yeast that Mayo Clinic found. Secondly, it has N-acetylcysteine, which is a natural mucolytic, kind of like Mucinex, to help thin the viscosity of your secretions to get rid of them. Thirdly, it contains turmeric, which is a natural anti-inflammatory, kind of like taking ibuprofen to open up your airways, right? And lastly, it contains herbal immune boosters, things like Eleutherococcus, which is Siberian ginseng, and Andrographis. Now, the dose of this product is 3 per day when you start to feel congestion, if you start to feel like you're getting a cold, you know your symptoms, whatever they may be, when you're getting sick. So this is something that can be taken 3 per day for a week. Now, this does contain licorice, so if you have high blood pressure, this could raise your blood pressure. So please be aware of that. And note that always you should be consulting with your healthcare provider if you are taking supplements as well as medications, so that they know what you have on board and can help advise you there. Now, many of my patients are happily able to avoid use of antibiotics for their illnesses when they consider use of things like the Sinus Support and the ViraSupport. So as always, thank you for tuning in. Please share this knowledge with friends and family who need this. Please like and subscribe to our new YouTube channel, and remember that wellness is waiting.